Hey, I'm John Crestani. I've made millions of dollars online promoting CPA offers, and in this video I'm going to define what CPA's offers are. I'm going to show you some of the real down and dirty techniques and tactics to promoting CPA offers, and I'm going to expose you to a few CPA networks where you can actually get the offers to promote. So let's get into it. This is going to be a little kind of scandalous video, but excited to share my knowledge here with you. It's pretty fun. So CPA offers are a subset of affiliate marketing. It stands for cost per action marketing. Why cost per action? Well, the reality is CPA offers are a broad spectrum and they don't necessarily only pay on a sale. Most traditional affiliate programs pay a percentage of the revenue that you get from the customer. They'll pay 25% of revenue from sales. CPA offers are different, but they're much more aggressive because the reality is the company doesn't even necessarily collect a lot of money from the customer. In a CPA offer, the company may collect $5 from the customer, but you're going to get $80. So that's a pretty crazy scenario, and it's very ripe for fraud. And again, CPA is a crazy cowboy space subset within affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you how to promote it. Now, what you need to understand about CPA offers is there's big money there, okay? There's a big money in the space there, and the money is quick. You can make the money extremely quick. You can go from making $0 a day to $50,000 a day, and that is not abnormal, but also this space is extremely competitive. This is possibly the most competitive space in all of affiliate marketing. So there's three things I'm going to go over in regards to CPA marketing. One is the networks, okay? The affiliate networks. I'm going to go over some techniques with you today to promoting it, and these are the real dirty techniques and also the education. Now, a little bit about my background is I started with CPA marketing in 2010 or something like that, but I never was effective. I didn't start making serious money with CPA marketing until 2014. And that's when I started making $10,000 profit per day. I was working in the skincare niche. Okay, so I was promoting skincare products, and then I moved into the weight loss niche or diet niche, and I started promoting Garcinia Cambogia, and I started making $25,000 profit every single day in 2015. And that was my first multi-million-dollar year. In 2015, I did $2.9 million. And I mean, that just took my, the previous year I'd only done about 900,000, but in 2015 I just jacked it up, and that was because of CPA marketing. Again, it's hard to crack the nut on CPA marketing, but the money is big and it comes in fast. So, but it's extremely competitive to break into the space. So a few networks to join would be A4D, okay? A4D stands for ads for dough. Again, most CPA marketers are putting up ads online in some way, shape, or form, and they're trying to make money. So kind of aggressive title there, but that's a great network. I've worked with ads for dough for a long time, and I've made a lot of money with them. The next network is Above All Offers, also abbreviated AAO. Above All Offers is another CPA network. They have a lot of nutraceutical, a lot of lead gen CPA offers. They have both of these networks have a broad spectrum of offers that you can go out and promote. So I definitely apply to both of these networks, but again, only if you're advanced. Now, I'm going to give a link to sign up for both of these networks, and you can use my name as a referral. Only use my name as a referral if you promise to not hit up your affiliate managers or not message them until you are creating sales for that company, okay? Or you are making conversions and you are making money. And the reason for that is because all of the affiliate managers at these companies, they're paid on commission only, okay? They're not paid anything base. They're paid on commission only. They only make money if you're making money, if you're one of their affiliates. So that you might be thinking to yourself, hey, well, they should show me how to make money. They have tens of thousands of people that want to learn how to do this space. And they'll just boot you from the network, and they won't allow me to refer any people to these networks if they get wind of people just coming on and asking them questions. So don't ask your affiliate managers any questions when you get started here until you start making money. Again, the impetus is on you to learn when you're working with CPA marketing. There's a bunch of other CPA networks: Ad Combo, Jumbleberry, Oasis, Affiliati, but you can go, Max Bounty, etc. You can look those up on your own. Just Google top CPA affiliate networks and you'll find a bunch, okay? So some of the techniques to promoting CPA offers are very aggressive because, again, this is such an aggressive space. A lot of the products that you'll be selling when you're doing CPA marketing are, let's just say they're very aggressive, and a lot of ad networks don't like them necessarily because the companies have, sometimes sketchy histories. If you're looking for the most, products you would recommend to your grandmother, you probably won't find them on CPA networks. I'm going to be honest. Their only goal is to pay affiliates as high of a commission as possible. CPA networks are really just pushed very firmly in the way of profits for marketers. But that being said, product quality sometimes takes a dip. So the techniques to advertise these products, it's like a weird cycle, but the techniques to advertise these products are typically black hat techniques, which I'm going to go over. This is why I don't do CPA marketing anymore, because it's a very aggressive, it's just a little too of an aggressive area. So some of the techniques are cloaking. Link cloaking is the term used to kind of shield your link from ad networks. A lot of ad networks don't like seeing the pre-sale pages that are used for CPA offers. A lot of the pre-sale pages, you may be using a fake celebrity endorsement, or you may be using a, like overhyped claims to, get people to invest in, binary options or cryptocurrency or whatever. And a lot of people need to cloak their links, which means you are showing the end user one site and you are showing the ad network another site. And the technology to separate who's an ad network or who's an employee for an ad network and who is an actual end user is pretty sophisticated. And there's software out there that does that. And I'm not going to go too deep into that, but it's called cloaking, and you can do research on that on your own if that's what you're interested in. Now, the next method I'm going to talk about is account farming. Now, this is not something I recommend at all, but this is the getting lots of ad accounts so you can promote offers that are way too aggressive for mainstream ad networks. There are people out there called, they're account sellers, but you can just Google the term account farming, or you can, Google ad accounts for sale, and you will find people who are account farmers who will sell you ad accounts that you can advertise on. There's a whole underground market for people buying advertising accounts to place very aggressive ads on. Now, I'm not going to go into that. I don't endorse this. I don't recommend this at all. But again, these are some of the aggressive tactics that are used to promote CPA offers. Now, the third tactic I'm going to talk about is deep analytics. Deep analytics is it's basically like being like a data forensics person, or really being able to dive deep into data. When you are doing very aggressive marketing and when your life is just about making as much profit from your ads as possible, getting really deep into the analytics of what ads are working with what landing pages on what geographies and what countries is very important. Being able to analyze data effectively allows you to go to the moon. It's a very important skill if you want to make millions of dollars in online marketing. Now, I'm kind of self-taught with data. I've always had a mind for math. And what a lot of advanced affiliates use are called click trackers. They're programs such as Volume, which is VOLUUM, ClickTool, ClickMagic. There are a few different click trackers out there that give you a much deeper level into your data, and they allow you to split test landing pages more effectively and what have you. But having deep analytics into your advertising is very helpful for creating marketing campaigns that go super big and earn you that, in my case, it was $25,000 per day fairly consistently. So CPA marketers being so aggressive and being in that kind of, that kind of scarcity mindset are very unwilling to share their knowledge with people in general. Now, I'm a little break from the trend. In my first course of the Super Affiliate System, version 1.0, we're on 3.0 right now, I actually shared how I did CPA marketing, and many people became millionaires from that course. That's kind of how I rose to prominence, or I have some degree of a social media following now, and people were kind of amazed by me when I first started teaching things because I was teaching tactics that nobody had ever talked about before. I was exposing the CPA marketing world. Now, in order to learn about CPA marketing, once again, you can Google it, you can find courses or trainings online. Again, you can become a student of mine and go into the archives. You can become a super affiliate student and go into the archives. And I have version 1.0 still available in the archives, and you can read up on how to do CPA marketing. But if you're looking to self-educate yourself in other ways, I would suggest go to affiliate conferences, okay? You'll meet a lot of young, very successful CPA marketers at Affiliate Summit, at Affiliate World Asia. I'd say Affiliate World Asia or Affiliate World Europe are probably the two best conferences to go to if you're really looking to immerse yourself in this field. I'd also suggest you go on forums such as Stack That Money. So this forum, STM, called Stack That Money, is kind of the forum where I learned about this industry. The forum is $99 per month, I believe. And I remember it was a big stretch at the time to join this forum. It was back in 2012. But once I started reading about what other people were doing in marketing, the forum really helped me succeed. And I was one of the early people on this forum. And I also became very successful. So I have a great deal of respect for STM, even though the owners don't really like America, I think. But the point being, I think it's a great forum, and I learned a lot from there, and it really helped me in my success. Other places you can learn about CPA marketing are from Charles No. Okay, he teaches CPA marketing in his, I don't know if he has online, I believe he has an online program, and he might do events. Another person is Tim Bird. Tim Bird he does advanced Facebook advertising events, and he touches on aspects of CPA marketing. And also myself, you'll learn a lot about, I don't talk much about CPA marketing anymore, but everything I do comes from probably the most aggressive trenches of affiliate marketing possible. You can learn a lot of that stuff from me if that's something you're interested in doing. Now, some of this material was controversial, but please give this video a big like if you enjoyed what went over here. Also, in the comments, let me know if you have any specific questions for me about CPA marketing or about this subject matter or about something you'd like for me to go deeper into, okay? If you want a free course on affiliate marketing, you can subscribe to my channel. There's probably a button somewhere. Subscribe to my channel, and on my channel homepage, you'll get some free marketing courses from some of my buddies who are also CPA marketers, so you can continue the journey. Good luck.